So use viewports to extract the following views in shades of gray visual style. Then pass A, three-dimensional view in southwest plane, plan view, and end view. So we go back to our drawing. So we need to put, we need to have three viewports here. So to do that, initially you are at home, so you go to visualize, click on visualize, then viewport configuration, click on that icon, that drop down menu, then click on 3. Okay, for doing that, we find out that this one is in southwest, so we can confirm this should be in southwest. So this is in south, should always, this one should be in southwest. Then on this other side, we need this one to be we remove it from realistic, maybe to 2D wireframe. Also remove this one to do 2D wireframe. So each one of them we remove from its specific point, so from realistic to 2D wireframe. Then this one, you can change this to be our front view, so click on custom view and then click on front, so that you can have that. Then click on this other section, click on this other section, then change this view to be top view, so you'll have that. So you can delete that line which you used initially, so we'll have something of that kind. So this one again, you can put this to southwest isometric, it was in that manner. So this is basically how you can do. So you can leave your drawing in this manner for you can leave your drawing in that manner.